Quiet and tired and mean, looking at a worried scene. I tried to make you mad at me over the phone. Red eyes and fires and signs, I'm taken by a nursery rhyme. I wanna make a ray of sunshine and never leave home. No amount of coffee, no amount of crying, no amount of whiskey, no amount of wine. No, 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 nothing else will do. I've gotta have you, I've gotta have you. Such a prima donna, sorry for myself, but green it is also summer, and I won't be warm till I'm lying in your arms. No amount of coffee, no amount of crying, no amount of whiskey, no amount of wine. No, 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 nothing else will do. I've gotta have you, I've gotta have you. Suitcase and a warm coat, lying in the back of the blue boat, humming a tune. No amount of coffee, no amount of crying, no amount of whiskey, no wine. Nothing else will do. I've gotta have you, I've gotta have. No amount of coffee, no amount of crying, no amount of whiskey, no amount of wine. No, 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 nothing else will do. I've gotta have you, I've gotta have you, I've gotta have you, I've gotta have you, I've gotta have you.
Yeah, Lil Craze, ay, Jason, Mark, Summer Breeze, let's get 'em like, hey.
Lipstick stains on the front lobe of my left side brains. I knew I wouldn't forget you, and so I went and let you blow my mind. Your sweet moving, the smell of you in every single dream I dream. I knew when we collided, you're the one I have decided who's one of my kind. Hey, soul sister, ain't the Mr. of the radio, the stereo, the way you move ain't fair, you know. Hey, soul sister, I don't wanna miss a single thing you do tonight. Hey,
hey, Lil Craze, K-I-D, come on. There's something about you, girl, I gotta let you know. How many retarded to love, you're so special. Love drunk like we sipping on X and O. So good for my body like a vegetable. I love you, speak louder than words or actions. Mute me and I'll prove it closed caption. You plus me, baby, we're nothing average. You can count on me like a mathematics. Trash shit, I'm talking about your X-Men. Those Wolverines must have been signed to Def Jam. Hearing impaired, they didn't listen clear. So it's time I make magic happen, have them disappear. Yeah, cause you're the one I need, and your smile shine brighter than the sun I see. You probably have a couple crystal balls in the skies, cause I see my whole future when I look at your eyes.
Hey, soul sister, ain't that Mr. on the radio, the stereo, the way you move ain't fair, you know. Hey, soul sister, I don't wanna miss a single thing you do tonight. The way that you can cut a rug, watching you's the only drug I need. So gangsta, I'm so thug, you're the only one I'm dreaming of. You see, I can be myself now finally. In fact, there's nothing I can't be. I want the world to see you'll be with me.
When I'm with you, I can be me. No more blanks in my heart like a burned CD. Put a spark to the love, you're the gasoline. No undercover like the first page of a magazine. I put you out as my girl to the world, and we still stay straight even when your hair's curled. Cause you're a masterpiece like Picasso in the mood. Now you're part of my soul like the bottom of my shoe.
Hey, soul sister, ain't that Mr. on the radio, the stereo, the way you move ain't fair, you know. Hey, soul sister, I don't wanna miss a single thing you do tonight. Hey, 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 tonight.
No, honey, I'm good. I could have another, but I probably should not. I got somebody at home. It's been a long night here and a long night there, and these long, long legs are damn near everywhere. Hold up now, you look good, I will not lie. But if you ask where I'm staying tonight, I gotta be like, oh baby, no baby, you got me all wrong, baby. My baby's already got all of my love. So no, honey, I'm good. I could have another, but I probably should not. I got somebody at home, and if I stay, I might not leave alone. No, honey, I'm good. I could have another, but I probably should not. I gotta bid you adieu to another. I will stay true. I will stay true. I will stay true. So no, honey, I'm good. I could have another, but I probably should not. I got somebody at home, and if I stay, I might not leave alone. No, honey, I'm good. I could have another, but I probably should not. I gotta bid you adieu to another. I will stay true. I will stay true. I will stay true. But I probably should not. I got somebody at home, and if I stay, I might not leave alone. No, honey, I'm good. I could have another, but I probably should not. I gotta bid you adieu to another. I will stay. No, honey, I'm good. I could have another, but I probably should not. I got somebody at home, and if I stay, I might not leave alone. No, honey, I'm good. I could have another, but I probably should not. I gotta bid you adieu to another.
little bit late. Go, yeah. It's in your bag. Can I see this bag? What you got in that bag? Get that phone. Get that phone. Please. Get your ass here. Have fun walking, girl.
I'm a phoenix in the water, a fish that's learned to fly. And I've always been a daughter, but feathers are meant for the sky. And so I'm wishing, wishing further for the excitement to arrive. It's just I'd rather be causing the chaos than laying at the sharp end of this knife. With every small disaster, I'll let the water steer, take me away to someplace real. 'Cause they say home is where your heart is set, and stone is where you go when you're alone, is where you go to rest your bones. And it's not just where you lay your head, it's not just where you make your bed. As long as we're together, does it matter where we go? So when I'm ready to be bolder, and my cuts have healed with time, comfort will rest on my shoulder, and I'll bury my future behind. I'll always keep you with me, you'll be always